In this video, we'll cover the top 5 side hustles that require the smallest amount of effort to maintain. But before I get into the different side hustles available to you in 2022, I want to give you the formula for creating a $1 million business. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video, because once you understand the frameworks for creating a $1 million business, it'll make it easier for you to decide which of the 5 side hustles will bring in the most amount of money for you with the least amount of effort, which is pretty much what we all want. A little bit of effort, tons of money. All right. So stick around and watch these frameworks. Here's the frameworks for creating a $1 million business, and I'll use it as a basis for picking the best online side hustle that you can do for home starting on a part-time basis. When it comes to creating a $1 million business, you want to choose the right market, or you're not going to be able to scale your business. So the top 3 markets that you should be thinking about are the health and fitness market, the wealth market, and the relationship market. These markets are very large, and you'll never run out of people to sell products and services to. So think about that. Big markets. Now, within these markets, you want to be thinking about high profit margins. So a good example would be something that costs you $1 that you can turn around and sell for $10, $100, $1,000. Now, I'm not suggesting you sell physical products. It's just a guideline for you to be thinking about large profit margins. We'll get more into that concept in a moment, so stick around. Now, a third thing that you should be thinking about is how can you make multiple sales of a product, and how can you make upsells, downsells, cross-sells of similar products in that same marketplace to the same customer. That sounds confusing to you right now. Let me just give you a few examples. So in the health niche, for example, you could create a digital keto recipe guide for $7 and then sell the monthly recipe guides for an additional $7 a month until they cancel. Are you getting the idea? So you can see this fits the $1 million business criteria. It costs you nothing pretty much to create your $7 recipe guide, and then you upsell them to the monthly meal plan guide for $7 every month until they cancel. This is all going to come together. Stick around. So another example in the wealth market could be that you sell a front-end digital ebook for $37, then an upsell to a $97 video training course with an additional upsell to a monthly membership training area for $47 a month with another upsell to a live event for $9.97 or more. Now you can see that these 2 examples fit the bill really well. It costs you next to nothing to create these digital products, and then you can upsell them, and there's a potential for recurring income and high priced products and so on. So we're going to use this criteria to think about a side hustle. All right, so now let's get into the side hustle. So when it comes to a side hustle, you want to be thinking of something that allows you to reach a large audience and that it's easy to create and sell for the least amount of effort. That means avoiding selling physical products so that you don't need to worry about inventory or shipping or any hassles like that. If you're with me so far, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, because I come out with 2 new videos every week showing you how to make money online from home. So if that topic interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification to get updates when my next video goes live, because you don't want to miss a single video. All right, let's get back to the video. Now let's get into the different side hustles while still thinking about the criteria that we talked about for creating a $1 million business that requires the least amount of effort on your part and allows you to scale as well. So I'll start with the easiest side hustles first, and unlike other videos that you may have seen on YouTube, these are not hypothetical side hustles that I've heard of other people doing or I Googled and said, hey, maybe you should try this. These are things that I've actually done. These are different side hustles I've been doing myself personally for the last 15 years, and they're definitely the easiest, which reminds me of a quote I heard from Richard Branson. He said he likes to hire lazy people because they'll always find the easiest way to do something. And it's true. Whenever I see an opportunity to make money, I like to break it down into the easiest way and see if it fits the $1 million business criteria while still being easy. Now let's start with side hustle number 1, which I've been doing since 2007. And in 2022, it's a $12 billion market globally. Now it's called affiliate marketing, and sometimes affiliate marketing gets a bad reputation because some affiliates go about it in the wrong way. But you're just essentially referring another person's product or service in exchange for commissions. There's nothing inherently bad about that. It's not a pyramid scheme. It's not multi-level marketing. It's just people referring someone else's products, and almost every YouTuber has affiliate links below their videos. You've probably seen them. And as I mentioned, it's a $12 billion industry globally. It's affiliate marketing. Now you could promote physical products or digital products, but I suggest that you stick to digital products because you can only purchase those online. Now I'll cover the best way to sell digital products as an affiliate marketer at the end of this video, so stick around for those tips because they're helpful. Now let's move on to side hustle number 2, and that's becoming a social media influencer using multiple online channels to reach the widest audience. Now side hustle 2 also ties in well with affiliate marketing, because if you want to make a lot of money recommending other people's product, you need someone to recommend them to. So really, side hustle 2 works really well with side hustle 1. Now you can sign up up for free at sites like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and you can begin creating free, helpful content related to the niche market that you've chosen. Now, after you hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube, you can participate in the Adsense program, which pays you a percentage of YouTube ad revenue each month, so that's a good income stream. And TikTok is beginning to add different monetization methods to their platform as well. Once your following gets to a certain size, you can also do sponsored posts or videos, as well as product reviews, where companies will send you free products and sometimes money to review their products. And I've got lots of different products for my photography channel. Now that brings us to side hustle number 3, and that's writing a digital ebook that you can self-publish and sell on your own website or on a site like Amazon Kindle. Now I think everyone has at least one good book in them, and it can be quite profitable. Also, a digital ebook is a good front-end product. So that leads us to side hustle number 4, a higher priced video training course around the same topic. Or side hustle number 5, a monthly membership site. Oftentimes when you solve one problem for someone, it creates another problem, which gives you the opportunity to sell more related products to that customer. Now, as you can see, if you start with an easy side hustle like affiliate marketing, and then you add additional side hustles over time, before you know it, you'll have multiple streams of online income because you can do all of this from home. So if your goal is to become a millionaire in the next few years, incorporating all of these side hustles will get you there a lot faster. So one quick tip before you go is when it comes to promoting affiliate products, it makes more sense to promote digital information products and specifically high ticket information products, mainly because it takes roughly the same amount of time to promote high ticket products as it does to promote low ticket products. So you might as well go for the higher commission. So I always recommend high ticket affiliate marketing. If you'd like to learn more about affiliate marketing, check out my affiliate marketing playlist right here, and that's just going to pop up and you can click on that. Watch that after this video. And if you want to copy my 6-figure funnel, you can find out more about that in the description box below. It's called The Secret to Quitting Your Day Job. Just look for that in the description box below this video. Also, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, just hit subscribe right now and click on that bell notification so you don't miss a single video. Now I want to give you sort of an idea or a goal plan for how to incorporate all 5 of those side hustles, starting with one side hustle at a time and building up to having multiple streams of income. So for me, I started in 2007 with affiliate marketing. So I started doing that first. But after a year of doing that, I started to learn how to market other people's products. So I was making some money with side hustle 1, affiliate marketing, but then I thought, if I really want to ramp this up, I should have my own products as well and recruit affiliates like me to promote my product. So that's when I came out with my first ebook. So side hustle number 2, coming out with a digital ebook. So I sold that for $47. It did really well. And as an upsell, I had a monthly membership site on the back end. So then we're looking at 3 different side hustles there. We're doing affiliate marketing. We're building an email list. Actually, that's part of the whole side hustle thing. Then we're selling a digital ebook, and then we have a monthly membership site. So then I was thinking, well, how can I grow this even more? So then I thought, well, I can take these same concepts and I can move them into different niche markets. And then I moved into the photography market. Again, I started as an affiliate promoting software. And then I created my own training course with an upsell to a monthly membership site. So you can see you can do this in different markets. But like I said before, it's important that you pick a large enough market. So like I said, health and fitness, that would be the wealth market, and that would be the relationship market. Pick one of those 3 and then start out as an affiliate marketer part-time. You can do it from home. Start promoting other people's products. Once you start building a social media following, you start understanding marketing, you'll probably have a pretty good handle on what kind of products people are interested in that market. And then you can create your own digital products. Like it could be an ebook, it could be a video training course. And then I know maybe the thought of a monthly membership site might be overwhelming, but if you create a bunch of different video courses, you can incorporate them all and give people access to them by paying monthly to access all of the training. Also too, you could have a forum incorporated with that where they could interact with each other and ask questions. And there's a lot of different price points that revolve around the membership model. So I've seen memberships priced at $7. I've seen memberships priced at $97, $47, $995. I've even seen them priced $2,000. So it really depends on the market and the level at which you're teaching whatever it is that you're teaching. So this may all seem overwhelming at first. That's why I say start with side hustle number 1, which is affiliate marketing. It gives you a good basis for online marketing and how it all works, and you can see how other people are doing it. And then as you grow your knowledge, then you can start to get into product creation, like I said. Also too, you may be just happy doing a YouTube channel or a TikTok channel or whatever that is. So whatever works for you, just pick the first thing that you think that you can manage or handle and just start with that one thing and just start doing it and then learn as you go and then start adding from there. It may sound kind of complex, so like I said, I have my 6-figure checklist in the description box below this video. Check that out after this video. And like I said, if you have any comments or questions, you can ask them down below. I also have a Facebook group, and you can ask me about how you can join that as well. All right, thanks again for watching this this video. It's Craig Beck here, and I'll see you in the next one.